Is your air conditioning unit one of those wall shaker or window shaker units? Is it giving you trouble? Are you not getting any more of those cold BTUs coming out of it? What about on the outside? Normally you would feel air coming through here. I didn't when it was running. That could be a problem. Here at Ollie's Garage, it's not all about cars, automotive tools, and whatnot. We got to take care of our creature comforts too. So this one here is not functioning like it should. I'm not getting any kind of cool air out of it. I've had this problem before, so I have an idea what could be wrong with it, and I want to share with you guys how I went about fixing this unit, and it could be very similar to what might be wrong with your unit if you're experiencing a similar problem. So follow along, watch, and see how we go about this, and hopefully this fixes the problem I'm having. I think it will.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
So if you've seen my short, you'll notice that I got my air conditioner out, and we're going to see if we can fix this thing, because it's not putting out any air anymore. I think the condenser's all plugged up. We're going with that because I don't want to buy another unit, and I think this will fix it. And I ended up with my buddy Chris. He's over here to help me. This thing weighs a ton, and I don't know. See if we can fix this thing. I don't want to buy another one, and well, I'm cheap anyways. So, of course, we brought some heavy hitters to the game too. So we're gonna hit it with this stuff and see if we can get all that nast out of there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. Look at that. Oh, that's a good shot right there. Look at that. Holy cow. Yeah, I can see her. You can grab some of that off of there. Oh yeah, that's nice. You can almost build a dog out of that stuff, man.
Yeah.
Holy crap, look at all that hair and stuff.
Ain't no grabbing that.
Wow. This side isn't too bad. This is the evaporator side. It's still a little mucky, a little nasty. It's been in the house. Well, I've owned this machine for 16 years. I think since the last time I did this exact thing to it, it's been since 2015, I think, 2014, 2015. We took this thing out and flushed it all out like we're going to do today. So it would be awesome if this fixes it. So let's get started and see what we get here. All right, this is a quality bottle here. There we go.
Can you start getting this side?
Yeah, go for it. Spare no expense on this. We got 5 gallons. I'll dump all of it in here if that's what it takes. I want my AC back. There we go. Now she's hitting it. Oh yeah, look at that. Whew, getting a little high there.
Yeah.
Hit all that stuff. I think all of it. I got it all wet before, so I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. Clean is the name of the game. And last time I didn't use super clean on this, so this should do even. This should be even more impressive. I'm hoping. Yeah, that's the downhill. That's the downhill wind over there. Watch it. Yeah, oh yeah. If it does that, you know it works. Oh, this is gonna look good. Yeah, you can probably hit that felt as long as it doesn't peel off. This should be okay. So we also bagged up the controls, so hopefully we won't get any water in there. But last time I did this, I did get it a little bit wet. Just got to let it dry out before you plug it in. Not a big thing. I am going to super clean soak the crap out of this. And I know the biggest thing is that you're going to have to just continually run water through the evaporator core and then the condenser, because it's just, this I think is worse than last time I did it. It just gets packed. So I know this condenser is going to take a few treatments. It is just packed in there. Okay, we're going to continue this and I'll bring you all back. Alright, so we put this stuff to the test. Of course, definitely had enough on hand. And hosing it out. This guy wasn't really too bad, the evaporator. Best as you can see down in there. It wasn't too terrible. Definitely some grime in here. Cleaned it right up. Super clean. Like, kicked this stuff's butt big time. I mean, it's a lot cleaner. Mind you, this thing's 16 years old. It probably should be dead by all rights. So, now the condenser, I mean, it's probably stained a lot, but water was flowing through it now. Definitely way better than it was. You know, it's a pretty thick core, so I don't know how well the water's getting through, but you look down into the fins, you know, it's way better than it was. So, good thing I had Chris here to, you know, run the equipment. Got this thing freaking cleaned up nice. So, we're going to let it dry out. Might be on my way to collect more junk. Not saying nothing yet. Who knows when this video is coming out. But, yeah, we're going to let this dry on the patio here. We're going to run over to a buddy of ours' house and look at some car stuff. So, we'll be back to stuff this in and see if it actually works. But I got to let it dry out real well. Even though I bagged up the electronics, it's probably still got a little bit of moisture in it. We may unbag that and let it air out. So, anyways, let's see what we got, because I'm going to be really happy if that's all it took to get this thing working again. Granted, I know I'm pushing the envelope. 16 years old. It's probably seen its better days. But hey, you know, what I don't got to spend on the house, I can spend on the cars. Priorities.
A few moments later.
So you put the shroud back on, put this upper air duct back on, everything's pretty dry, unbag the control assembly, put everything back on, so hopefully this thing fires up okay. Last time I did this it did not right away, but I had the control assembly, I got a little wet, so this time it's pretty dry, so fingers crossed it fires off. Chris has got the front part all put back together, so here we go, let's see what we got going on here. Cross your fingers. Chris and I wrestled it on in. He had to take off. So, I don't have the faceplate on it yet. We'll see how this thing goes. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. I'll have to put the faceplate on it yet. Just to see if this is going to work. Oh, yeah, she's moving now. Yeah, you can hear the compressor running. Oh. Yeah, see, I couldn't feel any air out of this thing at all. None whatsoever. You can feel it way out here. Yeah, I can feel a lot of air coming through that condenser now. You can hear the pump running for the compressor. Oh, it's working. Yeah, I mean, you can feel it. I couldn't feel it all the way up to here. And now I'm feeling the air way out here. Major difference. I mean, all the way out here now. It's really warm. Yeah, this thing's... Dude, it is putting out cool air. Oh, that's great. I can turn that fan down too. There we go. Yeah.